Hi, my name is Kiera and I am the designer for Alabama Construction Pros. And today I'm going to be going over with you how to choose the best flooring for your home. Stay tuned. Choosing the right flooring for your home is a big decision. Each type of flooring has its own pros and cons, so it's important to consider your lifestyle and budget before making a choice. Let's explore some popular options and the best way to choose them. Hardwood flooring is timeless and adds warmth to any room. It's durable and can last for decades with proper care. However, it can be expensive and susceptible to scratches and water damage. Another benefit to hardwood flooring, though, is that as the style of your home changes, so can your hardwood floors. They can be refinished, restained, and so they can continue to evolve with your home. Now, laminate flooring is affordable and easy to install. It's also durable and resistant to scratches and stains. However, it can look artificial and may not add as much value to your home as hardwood. Tile flooring is great for high traffic areas and is resistant to moisture, stains, and scratches. It's also easy to clean and comes in a variety of styles. However, it can be cold and hard underfoot, and the grout lines can be difficult to clean. So if you have children and you want to choose to do tile flooring, just make sure you do bigger pieces of the tile so that you don't have to worry about as much grout to clean. Now, carpet flooring. A lot of people like carpet and a lot of people do not like carpet. There's definitely pros and cons. So carpet flooring is soft, warm, and comes with a variety of colors and textures, and it's also great for soundproofing. However, it can stain easily and trap allergens, and so it may not be the best choice for those with allergies. It's also a little harder to clean as stains, you can't just mop them up. You have to get your carpet cleaning machine. So with people who have kids, you got to worry about paint and Play-Doh when you have carpet. Now, vinyl flooring is affordable, durable, and it's easy to maintain. It's also available in a wide range of styles, including ones that mimic the look of hardwood or tile. And you'll see that labeled as luxury vinyl plank tile. However, it can be prone to scratching and fading over time. When choosing the best flooring for your home, consider your lifestyle, budget, and the room's function. For high traffic areas, durable flooring like hardwood or laminate may be the best choice. But for moisture-prone areas like bathrooms or kitchens, tile or vinyl may be more suitable. Ultimately, the best flooring for your home is one that fits your lifestyle, budget, and your own personal style. With careful consideration, you can find the perfect flooring that will enhance your home for years to come. Thank you for listening. If you like and subscribe, you will see more videos filled with a bunch of tips and tricks that can help you have a successful remodel and save you money long term.